Hey everyone, this is Brennan from Colton RV and Marine, and I'm with the 2022 Primetime Avenger 27RKS. This travel trailer is going to measure 33 feet long, and it has an unloaded vehicle weight of 6,500 pounds. Let's check it out. First thing you're going to see are these Lippert solid steps. Going to be real easy to load back into the trailer when it's time to pack up camp, and you're going to have no issue getting in thanks to this really sturdy grab handle. At the front here, we have our pass-through storage. This is going to be a great spot for you to put all of your gear, everything like that you don't want necessarily on the inside of the trailer. I don't know if you can necessarily see it, but it does go all the way through to the other side, so you can access everything from both sides with more room tucked in there under the bed as well. And look, if you wanted to leave that open while you unload, it has a nice little clasp there to hold it in place. Close that back up for now. Headed back this way, I want to point out this gigantic awning. This awning is pre-lit with LED lights, and it measures 16 feet long, so that's going to give you a really nice shade during the day. And right here at the middle of the trailer, we have exterior speakers. Those are going to sync up to the entertainment system inside, so if you're watching a movie or listening to music, you'll be able to hear it out here as well. And I love these double windows here. That's going to provide really nice natural light that we'll see when we get on the inside. And working this way to the rear of this 33-foot travel trailer, we have a backup camera prep. So if you'd rather have a backup camera there to guide back into camp or back in your driveway, we can install that. It's really easy to do. Plus, on the roof, we have solar panel prep. So if you want to add some solar energy to your camping experience, you can do that. And we have one nice size slide out here that we'll see when we go inside, but it comes pre-installed with a slide topper, so it's easy to clean, and it's going to keep that nice and maintenance-free for you. All right, that's just about everything on the outside. Why don't we head in and check on the inside? Oh, can't forget this. Comes with an exterior bottle opener too, so you don't even need to bring one with you. All right, now we're on the inside of this Avenger 27RKS, and at the very back, we have this really spacious kitchen. There's plenty of counter space. I love that design, that's really tasty. Nice, deep stainless steel sink, and a black accent faucet, I love that. And more counter space over here. And then right here at the other end of the counter, we have a 3-burner propane cooktop. So that's going to give you plenty of room to prepare all your meals. But if you want something a little bit more, we even have that below. It also comes with an oven, so you can do plenty of baking as well. And below that, a great storage drawer for pots and pans. It's perfectly designed, laid out, just perfect for all your cooking. And then above that, we have a Furrion microwave too. So if you just want to maybe make some popcorn for a movie or just reheat last night's dinner for lunch, or whatever you want to do, we've got the microwave for that. All the way across the top here, we have these really, it's glass, these really tasty glass front cabinets. Plenty of storage space all the way through. This cabinet space continues all the way through and around the corner, so you can access everything from all of these really spacious doors here. And working our way out of the kitchen, well, not yet. We still have this fridge. How could we forget this fridge? Look at the size of this fridge. It's got a spot for cans, plenty of space to store all your food, all your goodies, everything like that. And of course, what is a fridge without a freezer? Got a freezer above that. Same kind of thing. That's almost residential. Honestly, residential fridges used to be probably about this size, but we've upped it a little bit since then. And then next to that, we have a pantry. So this is plenty of space to store all your foods, all your cans, anything like that, your snacks, all your goodies right in there. And working our way to the other side of the trailer, this is where we have our slide. And the slide has nice windows, as you can see, into our parts department. There's Nick and Ruben. Hi guys, they're in the middle of a very important conversation, so they're not seeing us right now. But the first thing you're gonna see over here on the slide is this booth dinette. So this is gonna give you a nice place, to sit and relax, maybe play some cards, or have dinner with the family if the weather's not cooperating outside. Bring it inside, obviously you'd rather be outside having your meals, but every once in a while, you gotta come inside and eat, but that's okay. This booth is really comfortable for both of those, and underneath both of these, there's storage. So under there, this just lifts up, and then under there you can store your board games, whatever else. And then headed this way to the other side of this slide out, we have this nice folding couch. So right now it's set up as a couch, but it's just going to convert into a bed. So just like that, you've got another sleeping space. Pull it out from the wall a little bit so you're not so close to the wall. But then when you're not sleeping, it's really easy just to pull up and put back into place, just like that. And there's 2 cup holders on either side. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's actually a USB port built right in there, as well as a touch light. So your cup holder is going to light up and charge your phone, whatever devices you may have. That's pretty cool. And then directly across from our sleeper sofa, we have these gigantic recliners from Allure. These things are huge, they're super comfortable. These are the thrones for the king and queen. Kids can have the couch, but this is for mom and dad. Super comfortable. Can we just stay right here? No, let's finish the tour. Let's finish the tour. But while I'm here, I'm gonna stay in the chair and point out the entertainment system. That whole wall is your entertainment system. We have your Bluetooth, your HDMI, your USB, your old aux if you want to go old school that way. Everything here, your radio's built in there. These are your interior speakers, like I pointed out outside. Whatever's playing in here can play out there as well. Huge flat screen TV to watch your movies, sports games, go Bills, whatever you're into. Underneath here, we have plenty of storage. Put your DVDs, your CDs, your video games, your books, anything like that. Plenty of storage options. More, and that continues all the way through. And while we're talking about storage, I do want to point out one storage space that's behind this recliner here. There's a nice storage nook there. You can use that. It's nice and hidden, so whatever you don't want out in the open, stuff that there too. Cool. Let's put these back in position, make them look nice. Perfect. All right, and headed towards the front of this travel trailer, we're gonna have the bathroom. If you wanna pop in there, take a look. First thing you're gonna notice is a foot flush toilet on the ground. Nice and easy, you don't have to touch it. Keeps everything nice and clean. Headed up, we have a nice size medicine cabinet. We have a nice sink there with plenty of counter space. Let me open up that medicine cabinet there, show you some of this storage. Perfect. Put all your toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, medicine, everything else in there. This is a cool shower. Look at this. This is a nice design, nice corner angle shower. Plenty of room in there. Nice fan right there too, so it'll keep it nice and ventilated in here. It won't get too steamy. And we have a fantastic linen closet. There is so much storage in this trailer. Put all your towels. You can probably even store clothes in here as well. Top and bottom. Tons and tons of storage. All right, let's head on to the very front of this trailer where we have the bedroom. In the bedroom, we have a walk-around queen bed. So you have plenty of space to get up in the morning if you don't want to disturb your spouse. You don't have to climb over them to get out or anything like that. We have nice nightstands on either side with USB ports, so you can charge your phone, put a little lamp, your glass of water, your water bottle, whatever else you have at night. In the bedroom, we have a TV backer location. So this doesn't have a TV in the bedroom, but it's hooked up for cable. The outlet's right here, and the spot's already right here waiting for you. All you have to do is put the TV there. As well, we have wardrobe storage on either side. This is a perfect place to hang your clothes, maybe some of your coats, your shirts, things like that. It's on both sides too, so there's plenty of storage, and even more directly above the bed as well. And again, continuous storage all the way through. So there's plenty of room, and even under the bed. This is the storage I was kind of alluding to outside. So this is more storage from the bed as well. Perfect. And we have nice windows on either side as well that feature blackout shades. So when it's time to call it a night, you want to block out all the lights, you can do so. And we have a nice pocket door here that is locked in place now, but as I unlock it and close the door, that'll bring us to the end of our tour. Thank you for watching.